Someone told me to use urine to wash my face, and I hated myself every time I looked at myself in the mirror. My face was covered in big pimples, rashes, dark spots, obusundo, skin tags. Some parts of my skin were dark and others were light. Mubutuufu nga ninga ente y'ebitanga. I was so fed up of my skin. Ekituufu nali seefiiringa. I lacked confidence in myself. I felt ugly. Nga nebuuza, why is this happening to me? Nga abaana mwendabika bubi. I tried everything to make them disappear. Creams, masks, and I used urine. And my skin got burnt and scaly. Baana mwenga nvaako ebikala kampa. I stopped moving out of the house because the few times I moved out of the house, it's like everyone had an opinion about my look. Nga buli omu ampa amagezi onagamba kiri, which confused me. Nga simanyi kyakola. My friends always try to console me. Pasi, you are awesome just the way you are. Naye nga nze nsibiraba, I couldn't feel comfortable with such a rough skin. So this one time, a friend of mine recommended a lady in Bunamwaya that had creams that could totally remove the pimples. I was very excited. I jumped on the border and off I went to the lady. She gave me a sack of creams. The pimples went, but I started getting reactions. These were bleaching, reacting, and the days I wouldn't use them, I would get a bad outbreak, and I went back to zero again. So this one time I go to China for a business trip. I meet this old Chinese lady, Eyansu Zanga. She asked me about my skin and she was honestly willing to help because it was too bad. She recommended a natural remedy and she also took me to a Chinese organic natural skincare clinic. I was examined and I was given treatment. In less than 4 weeks, my skin got better. It was so smooth. China ne weyali nsabye obukadde oba butano oba meka, I was willing to offer. Nali mbumuwa. I was so happy when I got positive results. Ne mpulira ng'omuchina njagamu hug. Baana mwe, my confidence skyrocketed. Nga ntambula ne badala Kampala Road awo nga tolina ky'oŋŋamba. I felt beautiful. I was glowing with a mirror skin. When I went back to China, I asked them how possible is it to learn this treatment so I can help myself and my sisters who also had the same problem. Because most people told us that the pimples we had were genetic. Senga koja mama utatao yaina. I enrolled into this course for months and mastered the natural ways of treating pimples and natural skincare routines, and I was certified. I used the same procedure on my sisters and also recommended friends on the same natural pimple treatment, and today they are all glowing, slaying, feeling comfortable. We've helped many people struggling with pimples and even tones, acne, skin rash, dark spots, skin tags, aging skins. Whether you're light, dark or chocolate, we got you covered with our special treatment. Do not miss this chance for beautiful skin.